Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young boy named Alex. Alex was a bright and talented student known for his sharp intellect and thirst for knowledge. However, he had one major weakness: his addiction to his smartphone. He was constantly glued to the screen, scrolling through social media, playing games, and chatting with friends. Alex had always been a diligent student, but he often fell into the trap of procrastination. He believed he could always study later, and this belief cost him dearly. One day, he woke up to the shocking news that his final exams were just a week away. Panic set in as he realized he had wasted precious time, neglecting his studies while lost in the virtual world of his phone. The exam day arrived, and Alex entered the examination hall with a heavy heart. As he glanced at the questions, he realized he hadn't prepared adequately. He struggled to recall the lessons and formulas he should have revised. Despite his best efforts, his lack of preparation reflected in his results. When the marks were announced, Alex received far fewer than he had in the previous year. The repercussions of his neglect were immediate. The once admiring teachers and proud parents now looked at him with disappointment. His classmates, who used to seek his guidance, distanced themselves from him. It seemed as though everyone had turned their backs on him, and Alex felt an overwhelming sense of loneliness and regret. The realization of his mistake hit Alex hard. He couldn't believe he had let himself and others down so badly. Determined to make amends and regain what he had lost, Alex made a firm decision. He vowed to change his ways and prioritize his studies over his addiction to the virtual world. With a renewed sense of purpose, Alex began to work diligently. He disconnected from his phone, limited his social media usage, and created a structured study routine. Late nights turned into early mornings as he pored over textbooks, took detailed notes, and sought clarification whenever he stumbled upon a difficult concept. Alex's perseverance and dedication paid off. The next set of exams approached, and this time, he was well prepared. He had not only regained his focus but had also become more efficient in his studies. The day of the results arrived, and Alex's heart raced with anticipation. To his immense joy, he had achieved excellent scores, surpassing even his previous year's performance. With his newfound success, Alex's life began to change once again. The teachers and parents who had scolded him now praised his efforts and admired his determination. His friends, impressed by his turnaround, returned to his side, eager to learn from him once more. The support and admiration he received helped him rebuild his confidence and find happiness once again. Through his journey, Alex learned a valuable lesson about time management and the importance of setting priorities. He realized that wasting time on trivial distractions could have severe consequences and hinder his growth. From that day forward, he became a role model for others, teaching them the significance of focusing on their goals and using time wisely.